अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ 700 डेली यूज्ड इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। अगर आपको हमारे साथ लगातार इंग्लिश सीखनी है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे लगा दीजिएगा। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे और आप इससे कुछ सीखें तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा। Oh, I am sorry, I have got a bit late. Of course, just shut up for a minute. She abused me. Will you now beat him to death? Where did you get it? Speak what is true. I do not want to know anything. Do come. How long will you stay? The sun rises from the east. Be careful. Shut up. Go if you can. Drive carefully. Forgive me. God bless you. The time has come. Do not disturb. Come what may. Please credit this amount to my account. Talk to you later. Rest assured. I cannot agree with your opinions. You have brought me to shame. Well done. Keep it up. Anything else? Stop making such a noise. Walk carefully. Go slow from the crowd. How do you feel? I am very strict on this matter. I read books. I just made it. Is all good? He crushed or dashed my hopes. Please give me your hand. Get off. How was your weekend? I will move heaven and earth. Come quickly. I don't agree. What do you want? Please write down this address. Stop kidding. Are you sure? No, I don't want. It is a strange thing. Could you show me your answer? Give me a day. What do you like the most? I am busy at the moment. I agree. It has to be done. What is your favorite subject? I can't wait. All my calculations went wrong. Girls do not want to stay in the gum. Be quiet. Come with me. He scored a goal in the match. I am sorry to interrupt you. Allow me. Will you go there or shall I? I made it. How can I go to the city? Do you do me a favor? I like fairly hot tea. Is everything alright? Can you turn the volume up? What do you think? What did you succeed in? Where are you going? बस यही थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप हमारे साथ लगातार इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो इब्राहिम टीवी को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करके ऑल पे लगा दीजिएगा। और अगर आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो और साथ ही साथ आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव भी लगी हो तो वीडियो लाइक शेयर कर देना। मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।